Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I have a brand new, fresh opportunity to share with you. Of course, before we do that, anything I discuss is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial or trading advice, as it is certainly not. So, Home Depot is setting up for a brand new buy signal. Well, how was I triggered to this? So, we are building a scanner here at Hawkeye that we have some of our members that are helping us out beta testing it so that we can refine it so it gives you easy to locate trade ideas. And what this basically will do is give you an idea to go look at the particular stock that is set up, that the indicator is telling us is setting up, and then you need to decide, utilizing our rules and your trade plans, whether it's a good buy or not for you. But Home Depot looks like it may be a good buy. We have a buy signal, a brand new one at 332.77. We're clear for takeoff on the weekly and monthly charts. So if this continues to climb onward and upward, this could be a potential buy. Now, since we don't have any supply or resistance zones on our weekly or monthly time frames, I took the liberty to draw some long-handed technical analysis for you, and it would look something along these lines. My first target would be at 385 in that neighborhood, and my second would be in and around 450. So basically what we have here on a monthly chart is what we call a double channel extension. So we basically extended by the entire width of the first channel a second channel. So that second channel will likely define the activity of where the stock will go from here. Now we've closed above that original channel top. So that's a really great sign. That gives us the insight that there is continuation coming. Now, what we need to do is pick a couple conservative spots to manage this trade and where to take some of the profit off. I believe that your first target will be in and around the 385 area. The second will be in and around the 450 area. If you're trading this with an option, because it is a tall dollar stock, my recommendation would be, when your option value doubles, to take half your position off, meaning close half your position. What does that accomplish? That accomplishes a return of investment, meaning your return of capital. Now, the second half of the trade becomes pure profit. I would take 25% off when we get to the first target then, and then the remaining 25% off when we get to the second. Or if you want to split it into thirds, you can leave a little bit on to continue running in case we break through the secondary channel top. But this is the way you would do a longhand analysis on a stock that is making all-time new highs. So I wanted to just give you that insight in case at some point or another you decide that Home Depot may be a fit for your trade criteria or portfolio. This is where I would be looking if I was trading this stock for myself. Every successful person in the world is a hustler, one way or another. We all hustle to get where we want or need to be, and only a fool would really sit around and wait on another man to feed him. Guys, basically what this says in a nutshell is either you're hungry to feed yourself or you're lazy and want somebody else to do it for you. And with that becomes, are you prepared to step out of your comfort zone? Are you prepared to learn something new? Are you prepared to take on the educational process, whether it's trading or any endeavor that you get into? Life is a learning process from the time we're born till the time we die. That's one thing that we continue to do day in and day out, and that's learn. And those of us who are aware of that often learn from the mistakes that we make or we witness others make. And really, if it resonates with you, you will avoid making that second mistake a time again and again. Really, a mistake made twice becomes a decision. So with that being said, the purpose here is that you are prepared to fend for yourself. You're prepared to learn. You're prepared to make the investment in yourself. You're prepared to provide for yourself. You want to be the alpha. And if that's what you want, you can be. And if trading is your vehicle to get there, that's fine. And if it's not, that's fine too. But find whatever it is that gets you from A to Z where you want to be in life, and not sitting around waiting for somebody else to do it for you. Because I can assure you, without a shadow of a doubt, if I sat around and waited for somebody else to do for me what I needed done, it would never get done. And I can assure you that it probably won't get done for you either. If you'd like to learn more, how you can easily identify and find trades like the one I just showed you, there's a link below this video. Click on it. It will take you to the Project vSwarm webinar. In this webinar, I will show you example after example of basically exactly what I just showed you. We have, like I've been kind of telling you guys over the past few days, we are building out a new scanning tool, and this scanning tool will be there to help you. It'll be help you identify what stocks may have potential, and when those stocks pop up on the scanner, all you have to do is go to them, do the analysis for yourself, decide if it may or may not be a right fit, and if in fact it is, you can take the trade at your own will. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to help you fend for yourself. We can't do it for you, and we certainly won't do it for you, but we will provide you with the best indicators. We will provide you with the knowledge. We will provide you with the training, the experience, in hopes that you are willing to take that step on your own and take control of your own life. So click that link, check out the webinar if you haven't seen it yet. Questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email or call us, and you can visit us anytime at HawkeyeTraders.com. Guys, with that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. I look forward to working with you, and I have a good one. Take care.